Hello, welcome to my channel. Firstly, I like to show you my thumb. I've been sharpening my knife and I cut my thumb slightly. So I'm going to use a gloves to protect my thumb throughout the video that I'm going to make today. Today we have got a very easy recipe that we are going to use garlic to make a nice garlic butter for a simple pasta recipe. My ingredients are, I have 150 gram of butter, 12 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to roast, 200 gram of mushroom that I will fry out. I also have half the bunch of Italian parsley. I will also be grating some hard cheese, but I'm just going to use half the cup. Today we are using a linguine pasta. You can also use any flat type of pasta. Today I am using olive oil to roast my garlic, and thereafter I will use it to fry my mushroom out. A generous grind of black pepper, a generous grind of salt, and a sprinkle of paprika. To drizzle, I made a new batch of chili crisp oil. You can watch the recipe for making of the oil. We're going to start by roasting our garlic. I've got my stove on very low heat, and here I have a small deep pan so I can cover my garlic properly with my olive oil. I added about a centimeter of olive oil. I will wait for the oil to get a little bit hot. My oil has heated up, and I'm going to throw in my garlic to the oil. And I will allow this to fry very slowly. I will fry this garlic until this garlic is soft and just turning brown in color. You must be very careful when doing this. Don't burn your garlic. While my garlic is getting fried, I have my pot with 2.5 liters of water on a medium heat, and I'm also going to add in half a teaspoon of rough salt to it and allow this to come to a boil so that we can cook our pasta in it. My garlic is nice and soft and is just turning color, so I'm going to take it out of the oil and put it directly into my blender. Here I've got my non-stick frying pan on the same heat, so I'm going to use a little bit of my olive oil that I fried the garlic out with. So I'm going to fry my mushroom out, which we rinsed and sliced, and increase the heat. Let me just coat this with the oil and allow this to fry. In the meantime, I'm going to put half the packet of my pasta into my boiling water. I'm going to add in my pasta to my boiling water, which is half the packet. While all this is going on, I'm going to give my garlic a quick grind. To help my garlic to grind a bit finer, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my oil to the blender. Here I cubed my butter. I'm gonna add it into my blender with the garlic. My butter and garlic is blended very well. To my butter, I'm gonna add in a grain of salt, a grain of pepper, and also a sprinkle of paprika. And now I'm going to add in my parsley. I've taken out most of the hard stems out, so it's only the leaves that went in to grind. I'm going to blend all this together till it's smooth. To my mushroom, I'm going to give a grain of salt and a grain of pepper. My mushroom is fried out. My pasta is also cooked, so I got my stove switched off. Now my final ingredients for my butter is the half cup cheese, I'm also going to give this one final blend. Here my butter is blended and I put my stove on again on a very low heat. I'm going to use about 4 teaspoons of my butter to my mushroom. Three heaped teaspoons of butter is looking fine. To my butter, I'm gonna pick up my pasta from the boiling water and add it to the butter. Some of this dripping pasta water adds to the sauce. And this can serve 4 helpings. Using my tongs, first I'm going to mix my pasta into the butter thoroughly. Here's my very light pasta done, and we have the remaining of this butter, which can make another quick pasta for another day. We can store this in our fridge. It stays very well. We are ready to serve. I am just going to add on the finishing touch to our lovely looking mushroom pasta. I've got a little bit of hard cheese grated. I'm going to just sprinkle just a little for the serving. To end off, I'm just going to drizzle some of my chili oil. And that's my garlic butter pasta all done. Here you go, your lovely vegetarian pasta made in little time and so tempting, using my garlic butter that I made from scratch and drizzled with my chili crisp oil. You can use the garlic butter with chicken, prawns, mussels, and all will give you a perfect pasta. I hope you'll all try this recipe. Thank you all for watching and enjoy. Hello, today is 11th of July and it's my birthday. I've entered 65 years. I would like to say a few words. I would like to thank all my viewers, my subscribers, my family members, and my friends, my neighbors, and thank you all very much for the great encouragement that you all have given me. Health-wise, I didn't start very good for the year. That's the reason why we are putting one video a week. And nevertheless, I'm also spending more time with my grandchildren. I have 3 already. They're lovely little kids and they like me keeping them entertained with all the funny stories that I tell them. 3/4 of the time, it's not even true stories. And
hopefully one day they will watch these videos and see their grandma.
that's for sure. When I'm no more, they will have beautiful memories of me. And who knows, out of the 3, one will become a good cook. Thank you all. And I've got Pranesh only here at home. So he's going to do the rest of the formalities.
Right, let's light your candles and then we'll sing for you. So my mom put 5 candles because she's turning 65 today. We couldn't put all 65 candles on the cake. Okay, so I hope everyone watching is going to sing along with me, and we're going to sing happy birthday for my mom. And we're going to start now. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray! All right, you can blow your candles now.
Right.
Make a wish.
Must make a wish. Why the wish will be secret?
Yeah.
This wish goes out to all the mothers that's watching me to have a lovely son like Pranesh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we'll give you, cut one piece of this cake.
I mustn't eat too much because sugar.
Your grandchildren will come and eat the cream. All right, any final words you want to say? No, nothing. I think, yeah, from my side, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for everyone who is subscribed. And we always say that the channel has exceeded anything we could ever wish for. And it's now, I think, the 4th birthday we're celebrating on the channel. But the channel is just going to go past 5 years old. I think it's on the 28th of July. So we started this channel during COVID.
28th of June.
No, it was 28th of July, after your birthday in 2020. So, oh, the light is blinking. The light went off. So yeah, it's I think good to share my mom with everyone. I think it also gives her something to look forward to every week. And we shall have a video for Sunday. We've filmed it already. So we'll edit it and put it up on Sunday. And maybe I'll just add the highlights of the birthday celebration as well to that video. This light is not working properly. All right, we're going to sign off, and then we're going to have our lunch and enjoy the rest of my mom's birthday.
Thank you.